Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to create a group on Mobile Legends. So just click this icon and then you can click create group. Yes, and then you can fill group name, tags, introduction, group location, and you can see the requirement that you can create a group if you getting 20 level, and for joining group there's no level limitation, so player can create or join up to 2 group, and then a group can hold up to 100 players, and you can set up 5 administrators. So just click create, and then this for group text you can select 3 tags and then click confirm and select your preferred currency by battle point or diamonds. So for example, I'm using battle point, and then click OK, and you can invite your friends to group. Just click. Okay, that's how to create a group on Mobile Legends. Don't forget to click like, comment, share, and also subscribe. And you can click text button for appreciation. Bye bye.